Hello students, today we have discussed the gamma function. Gamma function is used in differential equation, right? These gamma functions have a value which we can use in differential calculus and differential equation. Gamma n is equals to 0 to infinite x to the power n minus 1 e to the power minus x dx. We will have to find out that it is convergent. How it is convergent? Taking the function this is in the product function and the limit is from 0 to infinite. So it is 0 to infinite. So then we have to firstly take 0 to 1 finite limit and then 1 to infinite. Okay, split it up in this form. Taking the we have and to the x, when we have product of this type of function, if there is polynomial and the log x e to the power x, then firstly we have take the n to the n minus 1. When it is positive, negative, the value of integral convergence depend on this function, this index. Now n minus 1 is greater than or equals to 0, then fx is bounded in upper interval and integral is proper. Now hence integral of this integral is convergent because of bound function is bounded and proper, so this integral is convergent. But we have to find out for this integral, so take the e to the power x is greater than to x to the power n plus 1. Now taking into the minus x which is less than to x to the power minus n minus 1. So taking this of e to the power minus x to the power n minus 1 which is less than to 1 over x square, taking the integral on this both side, because of this is convergent, so by the comparison test this is also convergent. So this implies that both integral are convergent. Now when n minus 1 is less than to 0, so x to the power mu, when n minus 1 is less than to 0, then we take index function test x to the power mu fx tab, which is equals to x to the power mu x to the power n minus 1 e to the power minus x, and this is, so when we take mu is equals to 1 minus n, this will implies that e to the power minus x limit of this is equals to 1. So by mu test, mu is equals to 1 minus n, mu is in between 0 to 1, so integral of f is convergent. Integral of f is convergent. This implies that in both the sum of this 0 to 1 finite and 0 to 1 is finite and integral of 1 to infinite is convergent, so this implies the 0 to infinite f dx is convergent.